In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do URL redirects in Wix. First, let me give you a quick overview. A URL redirect is essentially a way of forwarding someone from one web page to another. This is incredibly useful if you've moved content, changed your website structure, or even if you simply want to guide visitors to a particular page more effectively. Now, let's dive into how you can implement this on your Wix website. If you take a look here, you'll see I've already added a button to the page. This will act as our redirect trigger. To begin, we need to access the options for this button. Look closely at the upper part of your design interface, and you'll notice a small links button. It might seem a bit inconspicuous, but this is your gateway to setting up redirects, so go ahead and click on it. At this point, a menu will pop up, offering you different options for linking. What we're interested in here is the web address option. Clicking on this will allow you to input the URL you want visitors to be redirected to when they interact with your button. Carefully type the full URL of the destination page, making sure there are no typos. Just a heads up, it's critical to include the full URL, including the HTTP or HTTPS part, to ensure it works perfectly. Once you've entered the URL, you're ready to see it in action. Before we finalize anything, let's make sure everything is functioning as intended. To do that, navigate to the preview mode of your Wix site. This handy feature allows you to experience your website just like a visitor would, which is crucial for confirming that your links and redirects are behaving as expected. Now, in preview mode, go ahead and click the button we set up earlier. If everything has been configured correctly, this should seamlessly redirect you to the specified URL. This step is critical. Always verify that redirects are working to prevent any broken links or user frustration on your live site. Once you've confirmed the redirect works properly, you can head back to the editor to finalize your changes or make any necessary adjustments. Remember, maintaining clear and accurate redirects ensures a smooth and engaging user experience, which is always our ultimate goal with any website project. And there you have it. A straightforward way to set up URL redirects in Wix, enhancing navigation and user satisfaction on your site. If this guide helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials to streamline your web design process. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.